guys, I'm Eva and I have a huge love for traveling and exploring. I've been wanting to go to Iceland for quite some time now. Well, today isn't that day. Instead, we have a pretty cool hike lined up that will take us to the Iceland of Switzerland. So let's go and check it out. Today the temperature will be rising to around 25 degrees, which is super crazy for April in Switzerland. So the location of this valley, the Weisstannen Valley, is a bit remote and still feels wild. Oh, and we do have a fair bit of snow left here. So I'm guessing that this is the first waterfall right there. So there are a few people that are also doing this hike, and it's a Sunday, but it's still very manageable. This is what happens when you're not careful where you step forward. But check this out. I bet that in a couple of months, once the grass is green and lush, this place will look even more spectacular. But Icelandic people, let me know, does this place feel like home to you? So the Batöni Waterfall Arena is one of the 55 power spots in this region. And I don't know what it is, maybe these beautiful 5 waterfalls or the calm atmosphere in this valley, but it does feel a bit magical here. Hunting is forbidden in the Weisstannen Valley, and I hope to see some wildlife, fingers crossed. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this hike. See you in the next one.